Okay, John, you want to take a look at the first problem and read me what the problem is?
Okay, in opening parentheses, we have 5x plus 7, followed by a closing parentheses. And then there's another open parentheses and 3x plus 2, close parentheses.
Okay, so what's the first thing we're going to do to solve it?
This is the FOIL method, so we need to do the first numbers first. So 5x and 3x, I need to multiply those. It becomes 15x.
It becomes 15.
15x squared, rather.
Okay.
Okay. That's 1. There's my 5 is right down here. 15. 1. Okay, there we go. 1. X.
It's over on the other board.
Oh, it's on the other board. Okay. All right. There's that. X is right there. Oh no, that's a fraction sign. X is right there. Here we go. 15. X. Okay, now what I need is a subscript. Okay. And then I'm going to use the number 2, which is right over here. Okay, 15x squared. All right, so that's the first step. Now we have to multiply the outside numbers. And in this case, the outside numbers would be 5x and 2. So that would be 10x. So I need a plus sign. It's right here. And 1. 1. And I'm also going to find my 0 right away.
Go over to the right. It's with the 9s in the same row.
Okay. Here we go.
Nope.
And the 0 is right here. Plus. And then we've got 10. And I need another x, which is right up here. Just going over to my right where I found the last one. Here we go. X. Okay. So now we have that done. We have the first and the outsides done. We need to go into the inside numbers, which would be 7 and 3x. So now we're going to add, well, 7 times 3x is 21x. So we're going to add that on. X's are up here. Okay. Now we have to do one more thing. We have to do the outside numbers now, or last numbers rather, which would be 7 and 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14, and we need to add the 14. Plus 1 and 4 is right.
They're right under the 2s.
Yep, I got them.
Under the 2s.
2, 4, here we go. Put this one here. 1 and 4.
So now are we done?
We are done.
With the whole problem?
Now what I'm going to do after I've done this, I'm going to look through the problem and see if there's any terms that I can combine.
Good job.
So the line reads now, what we've basically done is put all of the first line. It's 15x squared plus 10x plus 21x plus 14. Okay, well, the first thing that I see is that the 10x and the 21x we can combine those.
Let's start first with the x squared, because you always want to start with the highest exponents.
True. So I'm going to bring the I'm going to bring the 15x squared down to the next line.
Okay. Because is there anything else you can combine the 15x squared with?
No. Okay. Considering that it's the only squared.
Okay, you got to move.
Hold on, I'm trying to get some of these things off. They're pretty stubborn. There we go. 15x squared. There we go. Okay. I'm also going to take the plus sign from up here.
Okay.
Here's where it gets different though, because now I need 31 instead of, oops, putting it in the wrong place there. Plus 31. Okay. 3's are right there. Oh no,
And the 3's are under the 1.
3's are under the 1s. Okay. 1 plus 31x. I'm just going to take the x from up here.
Okay. All right, now you should get rid of,
And I'm going to get rid of these two numbers as well. Because,
okay, why are you getting rid of them?
no, that's the 10. Sorry, we don't need to get rid of those. What we do need to get rid
No,
of...
you're fine. Why you should get rid of these 10s, because what did you already do with the 10x and the 21x?
Well, because we've already... Okay, I should get rid of these then because we added them up already on the second line.
Right, so just take them off so that you know that you've used them.
10. Okay,
So just take them off
10 plus 20... Okay.
the board, so then you know that you've used them, so that,
10 plus 21. So coming off 21. And so all this stuff is used. Okay. And then plus 14, well, we already said that there's nothing that the 14 could combine with, so I'm just going to take it down to the second line.
good.
So let's see here. Plus 14. Plus. Oops. 4. Plus 14. Okay, so our final equation then reads, it reads 15x squared plus 31x plus 14.
Good job.